This 3-ingredient cornstarch cake from Germany yields 8 servings. Total time, 15 minutes prep and 35 minutes baking. Simple, tender, and baked to golden perfection. 3 large eggs. Crack and separate them into the mixing bowl when instructed. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This provides sweetness and structure for the cake. 200 grams of cornstarch. This is the main dry ingredient for the cake crumb. 1 tablespoon of baking powder optional. Use for a lighter, airier cake. Butter and flour to grease the pan. Prevents sticking and helps release the cake. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease an 8-inch round cake pan with butter and dust it with flour. Crack 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl and whisk them for 1 minute until slightly frothy. Pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk into the whisked eggs and mix for 30 seconds until fully combined. Add 200 grams of cornstarch gradually while stirring and combine until you have a smooth batter, about 45 seconds. If using, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and fold gently for 10 seconds to incorporate without deflating the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, smoothing the top with a spatula so the surface is even. Place the pan into the preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Check the cake at 35 minutes with a toothpick inserted in the center. If the toothpick is clean, the cake is done. Remove the cake from the oven using oven mitts and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Invert the pan onto a cooling rack and gently release the cake, then let it cool completely for at least 30 minutes. Slice a wedge to reveal the tender crumb. The texture should be light, slightly springy, and moist. Optionally, dust the cake with powdered sugar. Serve with coffee or tea. Now the recipe is complete. Enjoy your 3-ingredient cornstarch cake. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple baked recipes from around the world.